Oh, I went completely blank. Oh my God, I just went blank. Now I know how actors feel. Holy Okay, here we go. I have a new respect for actors today. Okay, here we go. Hello. Nope, too much.
Hello.
Get on in here.
Watch this video.
Welcome to... Sorry. Alright, too much fun. Welcome to the core loss testing channel. I was say, my name is Nico.
That's okay if you want to say that. It's not gonna kill it or anything.
You don't have to be anonymous.
Yeah.
Welcome to the core loss testing channel. Today we'll be going through the main steps.
Today, we wanted to show you guys a video clarifying what soft bearing balancing was. So the steps you'll see in a few moments are... What are these steps in a few moments?
Hello, today we'll be looking at the general steps taken in a core loss test.
This will be using the 295 Plus instrument and the B50 machine from IRD Balancing. So close.
Where at the end, you'll be able to provide your customer with a full report
And be able to save
and
it
be able to save that
on the database.
on the records on your database.
Yep.
Thank you for watching the video, and
In a moment, you're gonna see a video. Video is going to show a step-by-step guide on what soft bearing balancing. It's not is, it's not does, it's just of soft bearing balancing.
Soft bearing balancing.
404.
Crash.
We've created a video of soft bearing balancing for you, the customer. Today, we want to show you a video of soft bearing balancing. I'm trying to keep it, like I need to get rid of the fact that I think this is ridiculous.
Using a lexical model 2025, I said like at the end of this video, you also get to see a list of other tests that can be performed using this unit.
I'm not letting you jump on the meeting. It's in a minute until we get one.
I see. We wanted to create a video of soft bearing balancing. So we've taken our test rotor and unbalanced it, and we've thrown it.
Throwing it on. Got it set up.
welcome to the core loss testing channel. Today welcome to the core loss testing channel. Today we'll be going through the main steps of a core loss test using Lexico's MP7 software. You'll be able to select motor, type, frame from a large database, and from there select the repair phase. Now,
We're showing a step-by-step guide of general soft bearing balancing. Just throwing them all in a different order. Mix it up a little, but using the same words. Balancing, 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 balancing.
It honestly didn't sound like balancing, balancing, balancing. I think
That's
you can't
good.
help it.
I can't help because I've said this word a
Well,
thousand
also though,
times.
it's the word to use, so I mean you can't help it. I would just ignore that.
IRD balancing.
Yeah.
I'm gonna balance a balancer.
At IRD balancing. Balance a balancer at IRD balancing.
How much balance could balance balance?
Give a balance, good balance.
Balancing.
With this feature, our end users will be able to add new customers to the database along with any needed information and contact.
So close.
And alright. With this feature, end users will be able to add new customers to the database along with any needed nodes.
Two things having to fly. What friggin' across? The
Saw
second you went blah.
With this feature, end users will be able
through all the steps that you need in order for you to perform the test. At the end, you'll be able to perform a report for your customer and keep the records, the data for your records. I thank you for watching, and I know this one sucked.
Today we have hello.
We're gonna be late, I know. But this
Okay.
is more important.
Just want to check to see if you guys.
Yeah, we'll be jumping on a little bit late, but we promise we'll jump on. I just need like 5 more minutes.
I didn't want to open you too fast.
She won't let me leave.
I love you.
What are we doing?
Thank you for welcome to the core loss testing channel. Today we'll be performing a core loss test and going
Workshopping in my head a little bit. Oh no.
Oh, did it die? It's okay, we have another light. Encore, encore.
I know I can say this naturally. Come on. Welcome to the core loss testing channel. Welcome to the core loss testing channel. Welcome to the core loss testing channel. Okay. Welcome to the core loss testing channel.
This is using the I-95.
Expressway. Oh, that one got me good. This is using the I-95.
I don't use I anywhere in the script or outline or any of that.
An essential procedure in the motor repair process. Oh, I just froze. In the motor repair process for quality assurance. Yeah.
Today I wanted to show you, no it's not I, it's we. Hello. Today I'd like to show the overview of a CLT core loss test. Having custom branded reports. I said it right now, so suspicious about it. And I was like, something's wrong.
And at the end, you'll be able to provide your customer with a full report and keep the on your database for future use.
The results in your database for future use.
Almost had it.
You almost had it. That was good. That's all right. Keep going.
Thank you for calling. Thank you for calling IRD. Okay.
Stop saying this is on.
Oh,
You got this.
Using guided steps, you'll be able to select motor, repair phase, motor frame, carajo, motor frame,
Say it again for me.
motor, frame, test type, repair phase, and conduct a fully
Yes.
automated test.
Do it again.
Welcome to the core loss testing channel.
Today we wanted to put together a video showcasing to you what balancing is. I'm trying to overdo it so I at least do it some way.
You're giving like airline instructions. You got this.
Tried it.
All right, time to bring it back in.